A-K-E-O, Akeo.
Hello everybody, today I'm opening this packaging and I'll show you the doll that I made. It's this. Do you like it? Oh, and this is what I'm going to make today. Do you love it? It is a cute little pink princess that I have not made by my whole life. I just already made this cute yellow princess. You see? And now I'm making the pink princess. Ready? Like and subscribe and go!
Okay.
Hi everybody. Today I'm going to make this and ready? Okay. First we have to peel the plastic off. Ta-da! Oh look, some tape. And look at the parts. Let's pop out the head first. Let's pop out the head first. Make sure you do it the other way so it doesn't break. Oof. Guys, this is very hard, right? We got the head out and pop out this little stuff. You see? We pop it out. Look, and then we throw it away. Then we'll be making this cutie to blink. Now time for this. Look, this is the part for blinking. So if we put it here, you see, it does look weird. And then look, I can close the eyes later part of the video. And now, after we attach it, look at these little dots. That means we have to put our sticky tacky. But before we did it, we have to do popping out the other head piece. And I'll show you where the eyes will go. Look at this. Closely at this marking, we have to pop out these holes. See, these are the eye holes. Cute, right? It will go on like this. Look. But after we did that, we have to look, we have a few items here that we have to pop out everything. But before we do it, we have to pop out the big part, the dress. But before we do the feet, we have to pop out the hands. And I will build the body first. Look, this will be a part of the middle, so we can move it. Our hands. there is a little hole you see right here. This little hand is finished. And now let's pop out the other hand. If you don't know how to do this little toy, then look. First take off all of your characters and flip it around. You see all the steps is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps for everybody. If all of you haven't downloaded, if any of you haven't know that you haven't go to my channel, then you have to wait for 50 minutes, I guess. My channel is the beautifulest channel. Look at this part. This is the part of the hand. And look at this. Get 2 of this. You say you don't know? Later at the video, there will be a very fun part that we use this. An activity. This activity of play toys are so much fun, right? This play toy we have to attach the body first. Look at this sticky tack. It's actually a circle. This sticky tack is my favorite kind of tack. This little cute little sticky tack has to be divided. It's okay if you have some mistakes like shred. It's okay. It will get covered with the other one. If you got some mistakes too, then just cover it with the hand. And like this way, we put our hand like this. Is it a very cute idea? Okay, now we have to peel this protective skin layer off. Make sure sometimes you have to straighten up the arm so you do not see some other mistakes. I'm so confused for this, so you don't know. So confused for what? You get it. We are having the bestest day ever. That you never know that we haven't. To our only life. That we have more fun facts to be. That will be so on your channel to my channel. You can join however you want. I speak English. But now I have this sticky tack instead of using some double tape. This is actually sticky tack circle. That means that it's a sticky tack that is called double tape. It's a double tape it's kind of like it's a kind of like double tape, but I have it meaning very good that you can actually move the arms. See? Like whatever pose you want, you can still make it. Look. And now, ready for the fun fact that we will going to make the head. guys, we have a full almost body. And like you said, that practicing makes perfectness. Now I have everything on convenient that you can see at the front. It looks weird to you. But if you got the wrong thing, then you can just fix it like this. And now for the fun part. And this is another cute bunny shoe. And now we put this sticky. Peel off the protection. No, if you think that we cannot do it, that we can do it. If you see some little parts that didn't get off, just do this. Okay, now we do have to put this leg on that we can move like this, or we can make it up, but I know it looks creepy when you get off the dress, but we can just put the other leg on. And now we put our second leg and put the protection. Ta-da! Our cute little legs and arms. And I know it looks cute with the bunny. Now time for the head. First we have to make the body away. And now before we attach the eyes, we have to take off this piece. This is your extra for something if you like. And now time for the fun part, peeling it off. Once you peel off everything, put the eye right over here. And then we put the body. And we have to put the head in the line. And there you go, your dolly is finished. You can get these accessories in some set that it breaks, like this little key that I made from a tail, and this bracelet I made from a hat that's here, and this hat that I got from the Kuromi's hat. And here's the real of her. The two is cute, right?
Begini juga kan. Tapi belum begini.
Bye everybody. Subscribe. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video. And if you're done, please give me a thumbs up. Bye.